I just want to say thank you to weBoost. The quality of the product is just amazing. The South African and American team were fantastic, actually. They were on the ball, they were quick. What was really nice is the quality of the unit. It just pushes out fantastic signal. At one stage we were on like I think 1 or 2 bar edge, and we ended up putting our phones near the unit, and we sat at about 3 bar LTE, which is crazy. It uses USB, which I really loved actually, because then it plugs into any of my sockets. It ran off my deep cycle battery day and night. What we ended up doing actually is putting a SIM card in the iPad and then using the iPad as a hotspot, and that worked for everybody sitting in the vehicle, so it pushed out very nicely. Power draw was 0.3, which is really not a lot. I think maybe a little bit less, and it was out the way. You give the right amount of length on the cables, so you've done your homework. We got another trip coming up in Hawaii, which we're going to be using the unit again. In fact, I'm just going to leave it in my vehicle. I'm not going to take it out. Thank you very much. It's a fantastic unit, and yeah, I look forward to using it a lot more. I didn't realize the benefits until you have it. Thanks, guys.